Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So the giveaway for January 2019 is over and we have a winner. So yes, the winner is, well, before I do that, let me thank everybody for participating into the contest and subscribing and leaving your comments and leaving your likes and follow me on my social networks and all that you've done to support the channel. I really appreciate it. And like I said in my 2019 video, I'm going to give away a prize every month all the way down to December. So the one for January was the dash cam. I have something coming up for February. So you got to stay tuned to the channel, subscribe so you won't miss out the announcement. Anyway, right now I'm going to go over some stats and I'm going to let you know how many entries we have and where they came from. So I had a total of 590 entries. And you know, some entries had 2 points and some had 1 point, but you had that opportunity to get as much point as you want to try to win this prize. Now those entries came from all over the world. We're talking about Riverside, California, Topeka, Kansas, Moorhead, Kentucky, Huntsville, Alabama, Portland, Oregon, Danville, Connecticut, Mandeville, Jamaica, Sherwood, Oregon, Vietnam, Denmark, York, Pennsylvania, Las Vegas, Nevada, Seattle, Washington, Ukraine, Hungary, Finland, Athens, Greece, Woodstock, Georgia, the Philippines, United Kingdom, Italy, Pakistan, Spain, Brazil, Republic of Lithuania, Romania, Phoenix, Arizona, Honolulu, Hawaii, Bangladesh, Netherlands, Indonesia, and that's just to name a few. I mean, there was a whole lot of entries. So those are the ones I just picked off the list of the entries. So the entries are coming not just local, but they're coming from nationwide and international. And I can see that my video is reaching a large crowd. So like I said, I can't thank you enough for subscribing to the channel, watching the videos, leaving comments, asking questions, giving thumbs up, giving thumbs down. It's all appreciated. Okay, so now for the big moment that everybody's waiting for. Who is going to win this dash cam? So let's do this thing right now. And the winner is Philip C. from Missouri, USA. Philip C., congratulations. You're the first winner for the January 2019 giveaway on Chard the Tech Guy channel. Thanks to everyone that has entered the contest. It's not over yet. This is just the first one. So the giveaways will continue. So you still have a chance of getting one of the 11 prizes left for this year. So stay tuned. There'll be an announcement coming up in February and I will let you know. All right. So thanks for taking the time for watching this video. Thanks for participating in the contest and I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.